Why choose network signatures? How secure is your company's network? Once upon a time, keeping an IT system secure was fairly straightforward. IT managers used a castle and moat approach. They established a secure perimeter around the system. The computers inside were safe. These days, the castle walls are crumbling. To get the work done, employees use their own smartphones, netbooks, and other digital devices. Mobile devices are increasingly being targeted, says internet security firm McAfee in its most recent threat report. A White House report last year found businesses have lost more than $1 trillion worth of intellectual property because of cyber attacks. VPN security is only as strong as the methods used to authenticate the users at the remote end of the VPN connection. Simple authentication methods based on static passwords are subject to password cracking attacks, eavesdropping, and even social engineering attacks. That's where NetSig comes in. To gain secure remote access to your corporate network, NetSig utilizes two-factor authentication, which consists of something you know, a password, and something you have, a cellular phone. NetSig generates secure one-time passwords instantaneously and completely offline using your mobile phone. NetSig employs a back-end server and an end-user token application running on the user's mobile phone. A random one-time password is generated on the mobile device using the NetSig application. The user then enters the one-time password into their company's online VPN page. The VPN server makes an industry-standard radius authentication request with one-time password to the NetSig server, and the one-time password immediately expires. Within the office or away, users are now ready to access their company's resources, and you won't need to worry about tokens or key fobs that tend to get lost or passwords that are so simple that anyone can guess. We reduce your implementation costs while ensuring you have the control and freedom from tokens or fobs, identity theft, security breaches, remembering multiple passwords so users never have to risk writing passwords down or using the same password over and over again, writing custom code to integrate with authentication servers by using industry-standard radius protocol. Let's get started to see how easy it is to log in with two-factor authentication to your company's VPN. Network Signatures has an AMI, Amazon Machine Image, with ID AMI-C03AC9A9, and all the server software installed. The process of signing up with Network Signatures begins with your IT manager on the Network Signatures site. Your IT manager takes the following steps. Server installation. 1. Verify that your system is compatible. The system requirements are detailed on the Network Signatures site under Technical Info. 2. Register at networksignatures.com. This will give the company identifier. 3. Downloads and installs the servers. 4. Configures the server with company identifier, and then goes back to networksignatures.com to enter the URL at which the phone can communicate with the server installation. 5. Configures the server with initialization URL. This URL is where users go to complete the server side of the initialization. 6. Communicates to the employees the company identifier to use, and also the initial authentication token after adding the user's phone. 7. Configure the NetSig server with Radius Shared Secret. This should be the same as entered on the VPN server under Radius Settings. An example of the config page running on demo instance is at http://demo.networksignatures.com/ns-adm/index.bmx. 8. Configures VPN server to use NetSig server as Radius Authenticator. This step depends on the particular VPN being used. If you want to see the NetSig server in action with details of configuration, etc., please try our Amazon Machine Image on Amazon EC2. That's it. Your backend is set up and you are now ready to install the application to your mobile phones. Registering the phones. 1. Navigate to the initialization URL. 2. You will be requested to enter in your 10-digit cell number, no other characters. 3. Enter in the email address of the employee. 4. Add a description to remind yourself which employee belongs to that phone. 5. Then generate the token. One-time installation on an iPhone. 1. Go to the iPhone App Store and download the free NetSig app. 2. Open the app. 3. Enter your company identifier provided to you by your IT manager. Press OK. 4. Please enter the authentication token. This is the token that was generated when you registered your phone. 5. Ready to initialize on your computer. Please visit your company's URL. It will be provided to you by your IT manager. 6. Enter your PIN, phone number, authentication token, and carrier. 7. Notification should be marked as None. 8. Accept the terms and click Init Phone. 9. Go back to your iPhone. Enter in your PIN that you generated. Press OK. 10. Initialization successful. Ready for authentication. 11. Enter your 4-digit PIN. 12. Enter the OTP that is generated to log into your VPN. That's it. User logins will now be secured with two-factor authentication. Securely connect to your VPN. 1. Launch NetSig app on your iPhone. 2. Enter the PIN you chose and click OK. 3. App will generate one-time password. 4. Go to company's VPN on your browser and enter OTP. Network Signature's patented mobile app consistently raises the bar in remote access technology by making the experience more seamless and more secure than ever. Our integrated one-time password mobile application provides you secure and reliable access to company intranet. So if you don't want to be another casualty in the cyber war, turn to Network Signature's mobile two-factor authentication solution based on patented technology. A fully mobile authentication system, easy to set up, administer, and use, cost-effective, no end-user tokens or fobs required, a completely intuitive platform that works every time.